sales is a mixture of selling the product and listening to what the customer needs. A lot of times there's 4 or 5 different ways to do any given thing or solve a given problem, but without knowing what the customer's specific issues or backgrounds are, you may pick something that ultimately doesn't work for them. It's a mixture of knowing what the technology is, what the problem is, and then how to apply it to that specific situation so the customer ultimately gets what they want.
What makes our products cut above the rest is the fact that we have a great group of people here that all care about what we do. They all care about putting a great product out to our customers. The most satisfying part about my job is typically when we do get repeat business from some of the customers. That means obviously we did a good job and that they trust us for their future business.
What makes us really unique, and I don't want to brag, is I think that we've got a lot more technical expertise than a lot of our competitors. We were really seeking to build a better product, to better understand the industry that our customers are in. There's a lot of different industries that our heaters are going into. We're going into the oil fields, we're going into the gas fields, we're going into bakeries. We really do have to invest time and effort into really understanding what business our customers are in, because it's such a wide variety.
Sigma Thermal's quality management system is accredited and certified per ISO 9001 standards. My most important job as the quality manager here is to facilitate continual improvement of the company and our processes and procedures. We have a team of quality control inspectors, some of which are AWS certified welding inspectors and non-destructive examination technicians.
Service means a lot of different things to me because it can be dependent on when you're talking about it, but for the most part, service is doing whatever is necessary to make sure that the customer is cared for in every way possible. I think I'd want customers to know that we really do care, that we really care about their success in their business. We want to make doing business with Sigma Thermal a good experience, and we work very hard to make that happen.
Heat creates power. And at Morgan Thermal Ceramics, we've been controlling and containing heat for over 60 years. All around the world, even in the most demanding industrial environments, we engineer optimized thermal performance and reduce energy consumption. With our global network of sales offices and manufacturing facilities, we offer the highest level of engineering and design solutions. Morgan Thermal Ceramics is a business within the Morgan Ceramics division of Morgan Crucible. We are a leading supplier to a broad range of industries, from security and defense to healthcare and transportation. Our contributions to technology used in industrial heat containment have impacted manufacturing around the world. In aerospace, weight limitations and space constraints keep us pushing the limits of our own ingenuity, creating exceptional thermal performance at the lightest possible weight. Our materials are used in world-class industrial markets like petrochemical and refineries, boilers and power generation, iron and steel mills, ceramic and glass furnaces, and the aluminum making process. In any industry where heat containment and operational efficiency is a major priority, Morgan Thermal Ceramics offers fiber and refractory insulation solutions. If a thermal process isn't running at maximum efficiency, creating and containing heat can become more and more expensive. To address this, Morgan Thermal Ceramic engineers and production experts design, manufacture, and install an impressive range of thermal insulation products. Products that significantly reduce energy consumption and emission, and still produce maximum operational efficiency.
Saudi Aramco is building a world-class refinery that will process 400,000 barrels of fuel a day. For this build, they require optimum industrial insulation and passive fire protection solutions, and they're on an accelerated time frame. Morgan Thermal Ceramics installs Superwool Pyro Block modules and Superwool peep sights and frames that are uniquely engineered to offer advantages in this high-temperature industrial environment. To manage this large and complex project, they rely on their global resources, designing the system in the US and manufacturing it in their facilities in Korea and Canada.
Morgan Thermal Ceramics understands that every heat containment system we design and install has its own unique challenges and requires its own solutions. That's why we work closely with our customers, moving the project through R&D, discovery, design, and development. This creation process involves our whole company as we work together to improve the performance of your product and the safety of your workers.
When a company builds massive ships, they know that extra weight is a major concern. Although heavy-duty insulation is essential, lightweight qualities must be maintained at all costs. Morgan Thermal Ceramics begins significant testing with the shipbuilders and develops Morgan Thermal Ceramics Firemaster Marine Plus blanket for use in this demanding environment. Firemaster Marine Plus blanket has the lightweight properties that the shipmaker requires, so the material is spec'd into their build, making their new ships safer and more lightweight.
In this fast-changing environment of heat containment and the regulations that govern it, Morgan Thermal Ceramics looks forward, projecting, anticipating, engineering, and evolving in order to bring you a better way to contain heat. That's why we develop products like Superwool Fiber. It's an insulation that not only prevents energy waste, but is proven to have health and safety advantages. That's a new generation of insulation. Morgan Thermal Ceramics will continue to harness the ingenuity, passion, and expertise of our engineers to discover more and more advanced ceramic insulation solutions, new ways for you to lower your energy and maintenance costs, and keep your workers safer.
Morgan Thermal Ceramics, insulating our world.
Over the past century, industry has seen a dramatic evolution across the globe. Ideas and processes that seemed impossible mere decades ago are now common practice, and innovation has always been the catalyst behind these changes. For more than 100 years, our companies and people have been the innovative force in combustion systems, developing equipment and technology to maximize opportunities in existing and emerging markets around the world. As part of one of the largest privately owned multinational companies in the world, we're able to leverage unique synergies and alliances to serve our customers worldwide. A wealth of global resources enables us to provide dedicated manufacturing, sales, and distribution facilities around the world. And these facilities, coupled with the extensive expertise in a variety of disciplines, allow us to offer comprehensive solutions with the ability to adapt to the unique needs of our customers. The result? Long-term performance, superior services, and an unrivaled value for each and every client. Today's industrial enterprises are challenged to expand capacity while meeting ever-increasing safety, efficiency, performance, and emission standards. Every day, we answer the call with proven solutions for a variety of applications and industries. For industrial steam generation and specialty processes, we offer several burner designs to accommodate variable fuels, emissions levels, boiler types, and flame geometry. From simple retrofits to complete packaged burner systems, we develop customized solutions to fit your needs. Power plants count on our burners, igniters, and auxiliary equipment to optimize efficiency while significantly lowering emissions. Our utility gas and oil burners are designed with simplicity for easy maintenance and reliability to deliver dependable performance that can reduce downtime and operating costs. Combined cycle plants, cogeneration projects, and electrical utility peaking stations count on our expertise in duct burners. We've designed, developed, and supplied more than 1,000 duct burner systems worldwide, engineered for durable, low-emission operation behind modern, high-efficiency turbines. With thousands of installations, we are a world leader in gas and oil combustion systems for the marine and offshore sector. Our specialized burner systems can handle a variety of fuels and cover a wide range of applications, including main and auxiliary boilers, thermal heaters, and flare systems. Of course, reliable flame ignition and safe flame monitoring are essential for any combustion application. We offer a full complement of quality ignition systems for virtually any type of application or fuel, as well as state-of-the-art flame scanners. Whatever industry, whatever application, our precision-built products are designed to exceed expectations. But a proven track record of industry leadership doesn't come easy. It takes commitment. It starts with a substantial investment in research and development. Our R&D centers in the US and the UK are two of the largest test facilities in the world. These resources allow us to push innovation with extensive testing conducted under a wide range of operating conditions, heat inputs, and an extensive range and variety of fuels. With comprehensive and extensive CFD resources and analytical techniques, we can predict and improve combustion, air distribution, flame characteristics, and pollutant formation. Our engineers use software to simulate field installation, design customized equipment, and develop retrofit strategies. These capabilities offer an in-depth analysis of current combustion systems as well as engineered solutions to maximize performance. While our dedicated engineers work daily to advance the science of combustion through the development of next-generation gas and oil burner technologies, our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities deliver a complete, quality product. Streamlined processes in world-class domestic and international manufacturing facilities ensure compliance with the latest quality control standards and safety requirements. From standard equipment to custom designs, our products are precision-built and manufactured to exceed your expectations. And once installed, our experienced aftermarket team is available to make sure your combustion equipment runs reliably and efficiently for years to come. We deliver outstanding customer service with knowledgeable parts specialists, experienced retrofit engineers, and a global network of factory-trained field service technicians. We have been at the forefront of combustion innovation, defining practical application, technological expertise, design excellence, and quality research and development. Industry never rests. It innovates, moves, improves, and steadily marches forward towards higher and higher levels of efficiency and effectiveness. No one can predict the face of industry 100 years from now, but we plan to be there, leading the way with the continued strengths of innovation, tradition, and value that have contributed to our success.
If you send your plate heat exchanger or plate pack to a Tranter service center for refurbishment, like the service center here in Houston, the first thing that we'll do is a received material inspection report. We call it an RMR report. We'll bring the heat exchanger to an area that's specially designed to capture and contain anything that may come out of the heat exchanger when we open it. Then we're going to count the plates. Make sure that it has the number of plates that you expected it to have in there. We'll verify the materials of construction, that the plates themselves are made of what you expect them to be made of. What are the gasket materials and how do the gaskets look? This is our first look at the heat exchanger. We'll also check something that's very important for you, our customer. We'll check the fouling patterns on the plate to see if they indicate there might be a problem such as too low velocity that we need to discuss with you so that we can improve things and you don't have these same fouling problems happening again. Finally, we're going to inspect the frame of the heat exchanger, the nozzles, the guide bars, the tie bolt, every piece of hardware on that heat exchanger that may need repair work. We want to make sure you're aware of that and we have your permission to proceed right at the beginning so that we can take care of those repairs in parallel while the plate pack is being cleaned. If you just send us a plate pack, we'll count the plates, verify the materials of construction, and we'll inspect every single plate and document any fouling patterns or damage that we find there.